What a shame. 90% of the beach has been overtaken by boats and huts and so much garbage. Unbelievable. The German charity guys were picking up garbage. They came by here, but there's still tons that they missed. This big water bottle. And lots of little pieces of garbage. Just too many to pick up. Just waiting on the PAL flight. It's coming in. Elmer from the mountains is visiting with Lindy's sister. And he's going to film landscape. That's the runway. And I'm going to film portrait. We just filmed Cebu Pacific flight. And PAL flight's coming in 2 minutes. And there's Cliffy relaxing in the shade. We gotta go soon, he needs water. Hey Cliffy, we're almost done. Oh my goodness. Wow. Look at that. Sure. How much, sir? How much?
108.
100. Wow. Can I see? It's okay?
Yeah.
Whoa. So big. Here, no, show. On the video.
Yeah.
100.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Where's this? Is it gone? They eat it?
Yeah, he eat.
Kaan?
Yeah,
Where did they catch? How far? Near?
near.
Wow. Let me see. Oh, there's 4 volunteers. Wow. Pro Ocean. Umping, sir. Umping, ma'am. My buntok, sir.
Hi.
So good luck walking down the beach. Good luck to you. This all used to be beach. No more. big pile of garbage bottles. This is brutal. This is how you go to the beach. There's no way this boat is working. Yet it's blocking the beach. Crazy. Absolutely crazy. Go. No. Don't touch. They got fish in here, dead. In the net. Not even used. Puffer fish. Looks like. Maybe not, I don't know. Oh my god. Here. That's their van. So cool.
Please subscribe if you haven't already. Check out this next video. I hope you like it also. When are you visiting the Philippines?